guys, so today we will be making an adorable Easter basket. That's an alternative to the normal like candy baskets. This basket is gonna consist of toys and little trinkets. Alright, what you will need: an adorable little stuffed animal. This bunny is just so cute. I have this really cute little basket. And all these items were purchased at the dollar store. These Easter eggs, which are just so precious. I have lavender, white, and pink tissue paper. Remember, you can have tissue paper, Deco mesh, or even just the grass. Ribbon and a Chanel stem for my bow. Easter egg sidewalk chalk. Plastic wrap to wrap everything up when I'm done. This adorable little coloring book. Scissors, tape, newspaper, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take our basket and add in newspaper. This newspaper is going to help lift everything up higher in the basket. So say I tried to place my bunny. It's so low in the basket you can barely see it, but with the newspaper at the bottom, it's going to help lift it up higher out of the basket, and you'll be able to see the cute little bunny better. You're just going to ball it up and place it in the bottom of the basket. Again, it does like squish down a little bit once you start adding your weight to it, so make it a little higher than you actually want it. This is going to serve as a nice stable base for your basket. Okay, that looks pretty good to me, but you see it looks like it's full of just newspaper, but you see how it's squishing all the way down? That's like that. Now we are going to cover this newspaper because we don't want that showing. Just like that. And take your cute little stuffed animal and kind of press it down towards the back. Next we'll add in the coloring book. And this is going to go behind the bunny. Kind of at an angle. Just like that. It's looking so cute already. Don't worry too much about the tissue paper because we're going to fix that once we're done. Next we have the really cute egg chalk. And I'm going to just place it kind of, I'll put the bunny to the right a little, and we'll place the chalk this way. Kind of at an angle so you can still see everything. So yeah, you can definitely have fun with these little eggs. They're so cute. You can put inspirational phrases or Bible verses inside of them. You can put like confetti would be a fun surprise for the children. You can even, if they're gonna eat it immediately, put like little baby carrots inside. There's so many fun things you can do with these eggs. Even little toys and trinkets that'll fit inside the egg. That'll be fun to play with. So I'm just gonna get them placed. Get a couple placed just like that. I'm actually going to move the tissue paper up a little bit so that I kind of add a little substance in between and it's not just a ton of eggs. Like that. That's just looking so adorable. It looks like a mama bunny with all her little baby bunnies. So just to secure the eggs in place, once you have them exactly where you'd like them, just roll a piece of tape. And again, you can use double-sided tape if you have it. Just place it on the back of the egg and stick it right in place. There you have it. Cute little adorable mama bunny with all of her little baby bunnies. So sweet and precious. Oh, another cute thing you could do with the eggs, you can fill it with little things that you love about your child and you guys can read it together. So that's so sweet. You can be very creative with these. You don't have to always fill the eggs with candy. The Bible verses, things you love about the child, what you're grateful for. Those are all good examples and ideas that you can do that's fun with the child, and it's a good alternative to candy. Alright, so once you have it exactly the way you want it, it's time to get it all wrapped up with the plastic wrap. So be sure to unravel enough plastic to come, I always say 6 to 8 inches above the basket. That just gives you enough leeway without having to like squish it all together or without having to like, you know, cut more or anything like that. So, but if you want more, then definitely do that. You can always cut off the excess, but you just don't want too little. Another option, you could definitely use a little handle. Let me show you at the back of the basket to help you secure it, but since my items were so tall, I'm just gonna leave the handle down. It can double as like a little play pail when they're done. Adjusting the tissue paper. Again, you could use pink grass if you'd like, or even Deco mesh, whatever you prefer. Alright, so we have everything exactly the way we want it. Now it's time to close it up and just cut the plastic once you get the exact length that you want. Again, however much you cut depends on the size of the basket, how much excess you want, the width of the plastic, so many factors. So just modify it to fit your specific basket. So I have my plastic cut. I'm just going to bring the front of the plastic up. Tuck in my sides. And I like to tuck them towards the back so that they don't cover the basket. Just once you do that, then bring the back up. And just make sure it's all nice and secure all the way around. And again, if you have a spot that doesn't seem secure, you can just take a little piece of tape and put a little piece of tape on either side. So then you gather all of the plastic at the top. Take a little rubber band and pull it all together. And just spread it out just like that. So the last thing we need is an adorable little bow. And you can use whatever ribbon you choose. I just thought that this pink was just so precious. I'm just going to take a chenille stem and twist it all together. Again, I love using the chenille stem for my bow so that I can easily take it on and off the basket without destroying the bow. So the basket looks cuter for a longer period of time. I did not use wire edge ribbon for this one, but I thought the color was just so sweet and precious, and I have videos showing you exactly how to make the bows like this or similar bows in the description box below. But once you have the bow, just take your bow. Again, the chenille stem allows me to tie the bow onto the basket multiple times without messing up the bow whenever I want to go in the basket. So you just twist the chenille stem on, just like that. Adjust your bow. There it goes. So sweet, precious, and adorable. And it doesn't take long to make. And again, all items were purchased at the dollar store. So this basket can be made for less than $10. And it's so fun to personalize it, again, with the Bible scriptures or things I love about you, little phrases, and the Easter eggs. It's going to be so different and unique. So there you have it, an adorable Dollar Tree inspired, candy-free Easter basket for less than $10. Again, modify it to fit your child, but it's just so fun and sweet, and it's so adorable.